Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important health topic. Broccoli alert, avoid it if you have these medical conditions. I know. Broccoli is often hailed as a superfood, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We all grew up hearing, eat your broccoli. But what if this cruciferous veggie could actually be harmful to some? Stick around, because we're going to uncover some surprising reasons why broccoli might not be for everyone. Let's start by talking about your thyroid, that butterfly-shaped gland in your neck that controls your metabolism. Broccoli, along with other cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower and kale, contains natural compounds called goitrogens. Now, goitrogens can interfere with iodine uptake by the thyroid gland. Why is that important? Well, iodine is crucial for the production of thyroid hormones. So, in individuals who may be susceptible, especially those with an existing thyroid condition like hypothyroidism, consuming large amounts of raw cruciferous vegetables might exacerbate their condition. Now, this doesn't mean everyone with a thyroid condition has to completely avoid broccoli. The key is moderation. Next up, we'll address kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits that can form in your kidneys, and let me tell you, passing a kidney stone can be incredibly painful. One of the major culprits in kidney stone formation is a compound called oxalate. And guess what? Broccoli happens to be relatively high in oxalates. If you're prone to kidney stones or have a history of this painful condition, it's wise to be mindful of your broccoli intake. Again, moderation is key, and it's always a good idea to discuss dietary recommendations with your healthcare provider. Chapter 3. Broccoli and IBS, not always a match made in digestive heaven. Now, let's move on to our gut, specifically irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. IBS is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing a significant impact on their daily lives. It is a chronic condition that requires long-term management. IBS is a common disorder that affects the large intestine. The large intestine, also known as the colon, plays a crucial role in our digestive system by absorbing water and salts from the material that has not been digested as food, and is responsible for the formation of stool. It can cause a whole range of uncomfortable symptoms, including cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, diarrhea, and constipation. These symptoms can vary in intensity and frequency, making IBS a particularly challenging condition to manage. Some people may experience mild symptoms, while others may have severe, debilitating symptoms that interfere with their daily activities. While broccoli is generally a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health, the type of fiber it contains can actually be problematic for some people with IBS. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, as it helps to keep the digestive tract flowing smoothly and can prevent constipation. However, not all fibers are created equal. Broccoli contains a type of carbohydrate called raffinose. Raffinose is a complex sugar that is found in many vegetables, grains, and legumes. It is composed of 3 different types of sugar molecules: galactose, glucose, and fructose. Raffinose is a FODMAP, a type of sugar that is poorly absorbed in the small intestine. FODMAPs, which stands for fermentable oligo, DI, monosaccharides, and polyols, are a group of short-chain carbohydrates that can cause digestive issues in some people. When FODMAPs reach the large intestine, they are fermented by bacteria, which can lead to gas, bloating, and other digestive discomforts in people with IBS. This fermentation process produces gases like hydrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide, which can cause significant discomfort and pain. For people with IBS, managing their diet and avoiding high FODMAP foods like broccoli can be an important part of controlling their symptoms and improving their quality of life. Chapter 4. Blood thinners and broccoli. A potentially risky combination. This next one is super important for anyone taking blood-thinning medications. Blood thinners, such as warfarin, are commonly prescribed to prevent blood clots, which can lead to serious conditions like heart attacks and strokes. However, managing your diet while on these medications is crucial. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, you need to be especially cautious about your vitamin K intake. Vitamin K is a vital nutrient that plays a significant role in the blood clotting process. It helps your body form clots to stop bleeding when you're injured. Vitamin K is essential for synthesizing certain proteins required for blood clotting. Without enough vitamin K, your body can't produce these proteins, leading to excessive bleeding. But when you're on blood thinners, the situation becomes more complex. Blood thinners work by decreasing your blood's ability to clot, which helps prevent heart attacks and strokes. They do this by interfering with the action of vitamin K. Essentially, they make your blood less sticky, reducing the likelihood of clots forming. However, if you consume too much vitamin K, it can actually counteract the effects of these medications, potentially putting you at risk for dangerous blood clots. This is because vitamin K can override the blood-thinning effects of the medication, making your blood more prone to clotting. And you guessed it, broccoli is a significant source of vitamin K. In fact, many green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and Brussels sprouts, are high in vitamin K. While these foods are generally very healthy, they can pose a risk if you're not careful about your intake. This doesn't mean you have to avoid broccoli entirely, but it's essential to maintain a consistent intake of vitamin K-rich foods, including broccoli, to avoid fluctuations in your blood's clotting ability. Consistency is key. If you suddenly increase or decrease your intake of these foods, it can affect how well your blood thinner works. It's a good idea to work with a healthcare provider or a dietitian to create a balanced diet plan that takes your medication into account. They can help you understand how to manage your vitamin K intake without compromising your health. Keeping a food diary can also be helpful. By tracking what you eat, you can ensure that you're maintaining a consistent level of vitamin K in your diet. This can help you and your healthcare provider make any necessary adjustments to your medication. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate vitamin K from your diet, but to keep it consistent. By doing so, you can enjoy a variety of healthy foods, including broccoli, while effectively managing your medication and reducing your risk of complications. So, if you're on blood thinners, be mindful of your vitamin K intake, stay consistent, and consult with your healthcare provider regularly. This way, you can maintain your health and enjoy your meals without worry. Chapter 5. Broccoli Allergies. Rare but real. In this chapter, we delve into a topic that might surprise many: the existence of broccoli allergies. While it may sound unusual, it's a condition that some people do experience. Finally, let's talk about allergies. Allergies are the body's way of reacting to substances it deems harmful, even if they are not. While food allergies to broccoli are relatively rare, they can occur. It's important to understand that even though broccoli is a healthy vegetable, it can still cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Food allergies happen when your immune system mistakenly identifies a harmless food protein as a threat and mounts an immune response. This response is the body's way of trying to protect you, but it can cause a variety of symptoms that can be quite uncomfortable. This immune response can trigger a range of symptoms, from mild to severe. Mild symptoms might include itching or tingling sensations, while more severe reactions can be quite alarming. Symptoms of a broccoli allergy might include itching or tingling in the mouth, swelling of the lips, which can be quite distressing for the person experiencing it. Tongue or throat, hives, which are red, itchy welts on the skin that can appear suddenly and spread quickly. Skin rash, digestive upset, such as stomach pain, nausea, or diarrhea, which can make the person feel very uncomfortable. Or even difficulty breathing in severe cases. Difficulty breathing is a serious symptom that requires immediate medical attention, as it can be life-threatening. If you experience any of these symptoms after eating broccoli, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Early intervention can prevent the symptoms from worsening and ensure that you receive the appropriate care. Remember, while broccoli allergies are rare, they are real and should be taken seriously. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Stay healthy. Remember, while broccoli is a nutritious vegetable for many, it's not a one-size-fits-all food. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if broccoli is appropriate for your dietary needs.